when to hire a manager for a tech business. First of all, why you need to hire? You have to delegate in order for your business to grow. There are many situations when you should hire a manager. First of all would be revenue level. After you've reached above a certain level, maybe 100K per month, 150K per month, you might need to bring someone on board to manage your current team. But the question is, which team? You might have multiple teams. You might have a team on the marketing side, on the sales side, on the product development side, in operations. You have to look around your org chart and decide which team you have to let go of the management and bring someone in, or help someone from your team grow. For example, if you have 3 sales reps, maybe you might have to go with hiring a manager to come and manage the sales reps, also do the sales calls with them, or promote somebody from the team to become a team leader or a manager for that specific team. Also, if you have probably developers, what you can do is hire a manager that will take care of the developers, that has coding knowledge, that has expertise with developing software, and after that they will be able to handle that team, develop, and make sure that everything is in place. In this way, you will be able to focus more on building your product or building your business as a whole, and advancing with the growth, planning, building a much broader and a more detailed strategy that your team will eventually put into practice and implement and bring results for you. So this is the way to grow. Best of luck.